everyone. Cambridge International ASA level mathematics. This is paper 1, pure mathematics 1. It is for February-March 2022 and its code is 9709 and its variant is 12. You must write candidate's name here and according to your statement of entry. And center number, you have center number, you know how to write that. Candidate numbers are here. Okay, before starting this, you need to follow the instructions as usual. HB pencil is necessary, dark blue pen and black pen is necessary. You must show all necessary working clearly. No marks will be given for the unsupported answers from calculators. And always remember that non-exact numerical answers correct to 3 significant figures or 1 decimal place for the angles in degree, unless if it is not mentioned in the question. And its total marks is 75, and the marks are given in these brackets. A curve with equation y equals to fx is such that f dash x equals to 2x to the power minus 1 by 3 minus x to the power 1 by 3. It is given that f8 equals to 5 and then find fx. We know if we differentiate fx, we are having f dash x. So to find out fx, we need to integrate this one to find out fx. That integration of x to the power n dx equals to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus integrating constant c. So now let me simplify. F dash x equals to 2 to the power 2x to the power minus 1 by 3 minus x to the power 1 by 3. So if we integrate this one, we are having fx 2x to the power minus 1 by 3 plus 1, so 2 by 3 n plus 1 2 by 3 divided by minus x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1, so 4 by 3 divided by 4 by 3 plus c. We can simplify this one. Fx equals to 3x to the power 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 x to the power 4 by 3 plus c. Now let me use x is 8, so f8 is 5, 3, 8 to the power 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 into 8 to the power 4 by 3 plus c. So 5 equals to 3 times 4 minus 3 by 4 into cube root of 8 is 2 to the 4, that is 16 plus c. 4 4s are 16. Now let me do more simplification. 12 minus 12 plus c. So 12 cancel, therefore c equals to 5. That means now fx is becoming, this is becoming, because I need to use the value of c, so it is becoming fx equals to 3x to the power 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 x to the power 4 by 3 plus 5. So this is the final answer. This is question number 2. A curve has equation y equals to x square plus 2cx plus 4 and a straight line has equation this one. Both of them intersect at 2 distinct points. Okay, so we should have some basic knowledge. If it meets 2 distinct points, we know that discriminant b square minus 4ac greater than 0. This is also y. You can write both of them equal. Okay, so let me simplify. X square plus 2cx minus 4x plus 4 minus c equals to 0. So let me simplify. X square plus 2c minus 4, take x as common, plus 4 minus c equals to 0. Since it's intersect at 2 distinct points, we can write b square minus 4ac greater than 0. So here b is 2c minus 4 square, 4 times 1 into c is here 4 minus c greater than 0. 4c square minus 4 to the 8 to the 16c plus 16 minus 4 to the 16 plus 4c greater than 0. 16 cancel, and if we simplify 4c square minus 12c greater than 0, we can write here 4c as a common, c minus 3 greater than 0. We know there are two critical values. 4 cannot be 0, it's always greater than 0. The critical values of c's are 0 and 3. So if we write here c minus 3 equals to 0, so c equals to 0 and c equals to 3. So critical values of c's are 0 and 3. Let me draw a graph. 0 and c. So the graph will be, there is greater than sign given, and shade this part. So the answer will be c less than 0 or c greater than 3. So this is the final answer. Find the terms independent of x in each of the following expansions. So we can solve these maths in two different ways. Okay, first thing is that we can expand using binomial expansion, and we will check there is no x, we can choose that term. Another thing is that we can use the formula directly. Tn plus 1 equals to NCR x to the power n minus r y to the power r. So sometimes it's becoming quite critical. So let us give some time to expand. It will help us to solve these things quickly. So let me write the formula. That is 3x to the power 6 plus 6c1 3x to the power 5 then 2 by x square. Then we can write 6c2 3x to the power 4 2 by x square. Then we can proceed more to find out more terms. I think that will not be necessary, because if you look at this term, this is x to the power 4, and in denominator if you break the things, you are also having x to the power 4. So this will be cancelled out, and this whole terms will be independent of x. So only let me write these terms: 6c2 3 x to the power 4 2 x square whole square. So 6 shift division 2, we can write this is 15, and then 3 to the power 4 81, then x to the power 4 2 square, that is 4, and then we can write x to the power 4. So if we multiply 15 into 81 into 4, that is, it is becoming, this is cancelled and it is becoming 4860. Okay, first one, first of all, 3x to the power 6 plus 6c1 3x to the power 5 2 by x square. It is the binomial. We have learned this formula earlier. 6c2 3x to the power 4 2x. So though to write all these terms, it's a bit quite difficult, but we are trying. X cube 2 by, this is also another method, but it's a bit tricky. Then plus 6c4 3x to the power 4 2x cube square whole 4, then plus 6c4 5 3x this will be square, then 2x to the square whole 5, then final answer will be 2x square whole 6. So this is the whole expansion, and we will multiply this one by 1 minus x cube. And then if we check here, this is, if we multiply with 1, we are having the terms which is independent of x. Multiply with x cube to get the terms which is independent of x. So let's see this one. Okay, x cube and x to the power 6, if you simplify, it will be 1 by x cube, and if you multiply with x cube, it will also be independent of x. Now let me see these two terms. 6 c2 3 to the power 4 3x to the power 4, 2 by x square whole square into 1. Another one is minus 6 c3. That means I multiply this with this one, and then I'm also multiplying these two, since it is with two things with side by side with product. Then we can write 3x whole cube to x square whole cube into x cube. Since there is there should be plus, minus, plus, and minus. If you multiply, it will be minus. I have already got this one. This one's answer is 4860. Now let me find out next one. Okay, since there is no x in these terms. Now if we simplify, 6 shift c 3, it is 20 into 3 cube, 27, x cube, there will be 8, then x to the power 6 into x cube. So this will be cancelled. See, this is also independent of x. And then if we multiply 20, into 27 into 8, it is becoming 4860 minus 4320. 540. This is the terms which is independent of x. This is question 4. The first term of geometric progression and the first term of arithmetic progression are both equal, that is a. We know arithmetic progression and geometric progression very well. Let me give you some hints regarding this is first term, second term, third term, and this is the series for AP, because if you subtract these two terms, you are having common difference D. Same as if you subtract these two, you are having common difference D. So this is AP. If common difference same, the series is called AP. And n term, we know A plus n minus 1 into D. And sum of n term, we can use that formula. There are some also different types of formula we can use. Or we can say n by 2, A plus first term plus last term. This is the condition for AP. And if we go through GP, this will be AR square, AR cube, second term by first term, that is R, third term divided by second term, this is R. That means common ratio is always same. So this is GP. GP's concept is that is always common difference will be same. And their n term will be A r to the power n minus 1. A is first term, R is common ratio, and number of terms. Sum of n term, A r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, or we can use sometimes 1 minus r, if it be infinite series or convergent series, the formula will be A by 1 minus r, and where r is always less than 1 modulus of r. Okay, so third terms of GP equals to, this is for GP, and second term for AP. So let us write third term for GP, that is A r square equals to A plus D. Okay, and then fifth term of geometric progression is equal to sixth term of arithmetic progression. So fifth term we can write T5 in GP equals to sixth term T6 in AP. So we can write here A r to the power 4 equals to A plus 5D. Okay. So now we have formed two equations. From one, we can make subject r square equals to A plus D by A, and from 2 we can substitute it A r square whole square A plus 5D and A into A plus D by A whole square equals to A plus 5D, A into A plus D whole square divided by A square equals to A plus 5D. Then let us simplify. This is A plus D whole square divided by A equals to A square, sorry, A plus 5D. Then simplify this one. A square plus 2AD plus D square, and then multiply A square plus 5AD. If I simplify, these two will be cancelled, and then D square 5AD, if it goes in there, settled with 3AD goes to 0. D is common, so D minus 3A equals to 0. So D can be 0 or D can be 3A, but this will not be acceptable since it is a series. Now we are going to find the sum of first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression in terms of A. We have learned Sn equals to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 D. So sum of 20 terms is 20 by 2, 2A plus 20 minus 1, D is here 3A. Now let us simplify 10. So this is 2A plus 19 into 3A. Now if we simplify this, 10, 2A plus 3 9 are 27, 57A. That means 59A, that is 590A. So this is the final. Express this function quadratics in the form of this one. We know how to do completing the square. We know that x square plus bx equals to x plus b by 2 whole square minus b by 2 whole square. Same as x square minus bx equals to x minus b by 2 whole square minus b by 2 whole square. Same ways, you can use this formula here, 2x square minus 8x plus 14. Okay, now let me take 2 as common. X square minus 4x plus 14. Now we can use this formula. Here b is 4, so we can straight write x minus 4 by 2 b by 2 whole square minus b by 2, 4 by 2 whole square, close the bracket, then plus 14. Now it is, we can simplify, minus 2, 4 by 2, 2 square, that is 4. Then let us remove the bracket, 2x minus 2 whole square minus 4 to the 8 plus 14. Then 2x minus 2 plus 6. 14 minus 8, that is 6. If 2 goes as common, it is becoming in this shape. So we have answer and this answer both are same thing. A and B are 2 and 3 respectively. Now already we have seen fx is x square, and we have already changed this function gx as 2x minus 2 whole square plus 3. Now let us compare these two. If we see fx plus a, this is horizontal translation, that is minus a 0, and this is fx plus b, this indicate vertical translation. Okay, and if there is given a fx, this is vertical stress factor, that is a. Okay, so same thing, this is, and combinedly fx plus a plus b, this is it is vertical and horizontal, both the translation. This is minus a and b, so same thing. If we consider this one, x minus 2 is horizontal and plus 3, this is vertical. So we can say translation to 2 and translation 2 units horizontally and 3 units vertically. Since there is another 2 given, so it shows vertical stress. So stress in y direction, that means, so it shows 2 6 change in, that is y, x plus 1 whole square, and straight line, this equation is given y equals to 3x minus 20. It intersect at a and b. We need to find out the coordinates of that 2 points. Okay, so we can apply the condition for simultaneous equation. Since this part is meeting with that, so we can substitute there. So x plus 1 whole square plus 3x minus 20 minus 2 whole square equals to 85. And if we simplify this, x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 3x minus 22 whole square equals to 85. So x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 9x square minus 132x plus 22 square, that is using calculator, 484 equals to 85. So this is 10x square, then minus 130x 400 equals to 0. Let me divide x square minus 13x plus 40 equals to 0. So let me do middle term factor. So middle term factor is 8 5 times 5 8s are 40. So x square minus 8x minus 5x plus 40 equals to 0. X is common, x minus 8, 5 is common, x minus 8 equals to 0. Let us simplify. So x is 5, another x equals to 8. Now let me substitute it in 3x minus 20. X is 5 minus 20, that is minus 5, and y equals to 3 times 8 minus 20, 24 minus 20, that is 4. So coordinates is becoming 5 minus 5 and then 8 4. Okay, we know the equation of circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square, and its center is at C. So we can write easily here x minus 1, because previous circle center is -1, 2. So instead of A, we can write -1, and instead of B, we can write 2. So this is R square, which y equals to 3x minus 20. It meets at A and B. Is it's given in the question. It is given in that question. And its center was -1, 2. Draw radius of that circle. It will be perpendicular on that tangent. And another thing is that this point will be midpoint of A and B. So we need that coordinates of A and B here. A is 5 minus 5 and B is 8, 4. Okay, so midpoint of A and B is 5 plus 8 divided by 2 minus 5 plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, let us simplify. It will be 13 by 2, then minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the midpoint of. Find out the radius. Radius is the distance between this point and that point. So we can use distance formula there. R equals to root over -1 minus 13 by 2 whole square plus 2 plus half whole square. And now let me simplify. Minus 15 by 2 whole square plus 5 by 2 whole square. Instead of R square, equals to 62.5. First, let me copy this. Sin theta plus 2 cos theta divided by cos theta minus 2 sin theta minus sin theta 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta. Now let us find out the LCM of denominator and fix it down. Both of the denominator will be here. Now if first one divides this one, that time your answer will be cos theta plus 2 sin theta. So we can write sin theta plus 2 cos theta into cos theta plus 2 sin theta minus, same ways, if we divide this one by that one, we are having this part. So we can write sin theta minus 2 cos theta, then cos theta minus 2 sin theta. Now let us simplify, do multiplication. This one we can write a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, minus 2 sin theta whole square. And then if we multiply, this will be with this sin theta cos theta, then this with that plus 2 sin square theta. Let me write here plus 2 cos square theta plus 4 sin theta cos theta. Similarly, If we multiply these two, sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin square theta, then minus 2 cos square theta minus plus 4 sin theta cos theta. Now let me do more simplification. This will be cos square theta minus 4 sin square theta, then there will be 5 sin theta cos theta because we are adding these two, and if we take 2 as common from these two, it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta. That time it will be plus 2 only. Okay, that's nice. Now sin theta cos theta plus 4 sin theta cos theta, same as 5 sin theta cos theta, and 2, if 2 be common, sin square theta plus cos square theta, so that will also be 1. So 1 times 2, that is 2. Now let me remove the bracket. 5 sin theta cos theta plus 2 minus 5 sin theta cos theta plus 2. Now let us think for this one. Minus 4, 1 minus cos square theta. If we simplify, it will be cancelled, and the numerator will be 4 and denominator will be cos square theta minus 4 plus 4 cos square theta, and if we simplify more, it will be 4 by 5 cos square theta minus 1. Let me check, minus 4. Let me check. So this is the things what you need to prove. So it is proved here. Here is given hence. So that means it is dependent on previous part. So let me see this one. This is exactly like as what is given in the question. We need to prove this. Okay. So now we can use it here directly. 4 by 5 cos square theta minus 4 equals to 5. Okay, this part is substituted by this one, and 5 is exactly here. Okay, now let us do some simplification, cross multiplication. 25 cos square theta minus 20 equals to 4. Let me consider here 1. Okay, now this is 24. Okay, so cos theta equals to 24 by 25. Now let us simplify. This is plus minus root over 24 by 25. That means cos theta equals to plus minus root 24 by 5. There are two parts. Root over 25, 24 by 5, 24 by 5. Another part is minus root over 24 by 5. Now let's check. This range is given cos theta 0 to 180. 0 to 180, that means if we draw a quadrant, all students trust Cambridge. Okay, we can remember add something, what is it called? Add sugar to the coffee. We can add sugar to coffee. We can remember in that way also. Or it's responsible for sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Sine. It's responsible for sine and cosine only, and t, it is for tangent and cotangent. It is cos and sec. Okay. In this quadrant, it is always theta. In this quadrant, it is always 180 or minus theta. And this quadrant, it is 180 plus theta. And this quadrant, it is 360 degree minus theta. Okay, 360 less than 360. And this is 180 more than theta. This is 180 less than theta. Okay, this is on the theta. Okay, fine. Now, since it is negative part, so, and this is positive part, you know, for positive part we can get all positive for this one, so this will be cos inverse root over 24 by 9, and another cos is here positive, so it is not necessary for me more than 180, so it is crossed. And cos theta is negative, so I can use it here in this quadrant. Here cos is negative, so I can write here cos inverse minus root over 24 by 5. Cos minus root over 24 divided by 5. Okay, so this is 168.5. 168.5 degree for this part. Okay, now shift cos root over 1 so another theta is 11.5 degree. Okay, the diagram shows the circle with equation x minus 2 whole square plus y square equals to 8. The chord AB of circle intersect the positive y-axis at A and parallel to x-axis, I mean these two are parallel. We need to find out coordinates of A and B. Okay, that is this A and this B. So let us try. First of all, since this circle meet at this point, so on y-axis x equals to 0. So we can write here x minus 2 whole square plus y square equals to 8. 0 minus 2 whole square plus y square equals to 8, since on y-axis x equals to 0. So it can be 4 plus y square equals to 8, y square equals to 4, y equals to plus or minus 2. So y cannot be minus 2, y will be always positive here in this diagram. So this is the equation y equals to 2. Now, if we substitute this y equals to 2 in this same equation, we can find x minus 2 whole square equals to 4, x equals to plus minus 2 plus 2. So it can be x equals to plus 2 that is 4, minus 2 plus 2 that is 0. So coordinates of A and B will be 0, 2, and B will be 4, 2. Okay. We know that volume's formula is y square dx A2 B. So we can write curve, this is the curve, okay, and down one is a line, volume equals to pi integration of A to B 0 to 4, since it is starting at 0 and it is at 4, so 0 to 4. Let me start with y square, I mean curve. Y square is, we know, x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square plus y square equals to 8. So we can write here y square equals to 8 minus x minus 2 whole square. 8 minus x minus 2 whole square minus, and down there is a, this is the x, this is the y equals to 2, so you can write here 2 square, okay, dx. Now it is necessary to integrate 0 to 4. Let me simplify. 8 minus 4, that is 4, x minus 2 whole square dx. You can write there pi, then 4x minus x minus 2 cube divided by 3, 0 to 4. Let me substitute 0. I mean, first of all, 4. 4 times 4 minus 4 times 2 whole cube by 3 minus 0 times 2 whole cube divided by 3. Let me simplify. Pi 16 minus, this is 4 minus 2, 2 cube. 2 cube by, I mean 8 by 3. 8 by 3. Then minus, plus, again minus. It will be 2 cube, 8 by 3. So it is becoming now 16 minus 16 by 3. So 32 by 3 pi. That means 10 whole 2 by 3 pi. So, okay, few functions fx, gx, and hx. Okay. Now, if fx is 0, we need to solve this. So, first of all, let us think for this one. X minus 4 x to the power half plus 1 equals to 0. We can write x as half and whole square. Minus 4 times x to the power half plus 1 equals to 0. So, let x to the power equals to a. X to the power half equals to a. So, a squared minus 4 times a plus 1 equals to 0. So, now we can do some simplification. I mean, we can use quadratic equations. So, a equals to minus 4 plus minus root over minus 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 times 1 times 1 divided by 2 times 1. Okay, so 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4, that is 12 divided by 2. Now if we simplify this, it is becoming 2 plus or minus root over 12 square root of 12, that is 4 times 3, 3 to root 3, so root 3 here. So a can be 2 plus root 3, or another a can be 2 minus root 3. Now let me substitute x equals to half, 2 plus root 3. Now let us squaring this one. So this is 4 plus 2 to the 4 root 3 plus 3. So this is becoming 7 plus 4 root 3. Same way, we can write here x to the power half equals to 2 minus root 3, squaring x equals to 4 minus 4 to the, 2 to the 4 root 3 plus 3. So let us simplify. X equals to 7 minus 4 root 3. So the values of x are 7 plus 4 root 3, and then minus 4 root 3. So there's a two answers for this. Fx equals to x minus 4x over half, x minus 4x over half plus 1. Then gx equals to mx square plus n. Gx equals to mx square plus n. Hx equals to x to the half minus 2. Hx equals to x to the half minus 2. x to the half minus 2. Okay, so it is given fx equals to ghx. So let us find out ghx first. ghx. So ghx is substituted by x to the power half minus 2, and for gx we can find out m x to the power half minus 2 whole square plus, we can see that this is n. Okay, this is n. Now fx equals to ghx. So fx is x minus 4 x to the power half plus 1 equals to m x to the power half is 2 square plus n. Okay, so let me write this one in that form. Let me try. We know the formula for completing the square. X square minus bx equals to x minus b by 2 whole square minus b by 2 whole square. So first let me arrange x to the power half plus 1 m x to the power half minus 2 plus m. So let me use this formula here. X to the power half minus b by 2 4 by 2 whole square minus 4 by 2 whole square plus 1 equals to m x to the power half, though it is not necessary to copy it again and again. X to the power half minus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 1 equals to m x to the power half minus 2 whole square plus 4. Okay. Now x to the power half minus 2 whole square minus 3 equals to m x to the power half minus 2 whole square plus 4. I mean n, sorry, this is n. Now comparing, m is 1, m equals to 1, and n equals to minus 3. This is very easy to solve. Okay. The diagram shows a circle with center A, radius 5 centimeter, and circle with center B with radius 8 centimeter. The circle touch at the point C so that ACB is a straight line. I mean this whole thing is straight line. The tangent at the point D on the smaller circle intersect the larger circle at the point E. Okay, passes through the point P. Okay, fine. So let us 5, and this is 8. Okay, this is 90 degree. The whole length is 13. So this is A, and opposite adjacent is hypotenuse since this is 90 degree. Okay, so we can write cos A equals to 5 by 13. So A equals to cos inverse 5 by 13. Okay, so shift, that you must change the mode, you must change to radian. 5 by 13, 176. Similarly, sine B equals to 5 by 13. So same thing, shift sine 5 over 13. So 0.3948. 0.3948. So B equals to 0.3948. And using Pythagoras, we can find out BD. BD equals to root 13 square minus 5 square. So 13 square minus 5 square, that is 12. What arc DC? Arc DC equals to 5 times 1 point, arc theta 76, and arc EC, okay, it is 8 times 0.3948, and DE, length of DE is 12 minus 8, that is 4. Let us add all this. Try it again. 5 into 1.176, okay, plus 8 into 0.3948 plus 4. So this is 13.0. So perimeter is 13.0. The triangle. Area of triangle, half 5 into height is, that is 12. That is 630 centimeters square. Now sector area. Sector of smaller circle. Sector area of smaller circle. Sector area of smaller circle, okay, half 5 square into 1.176. Sector area of larger circle, half into 8 square into 0.3948. We have already got all these things in earlier. So area will be 30 minus 0.5 into 5 square into 1.176 minus 0.5 into 8 square, 0.3948. So let me use calculator now. 30 minus 0.5 into 5 square into 1.176 minus 0.5 into 8 square into 0.3948. Okay, so 2.67. 2.67. This is the area of shaded region. Okay, to find out a stationary point, we need to first differentiate. That is dy dx equals to minus 1 3x minus k to the power minus 2 into 3 plus 3. Okay, let us simplify. Minus k, 3x minus k to the power minus 2 plus 3. So we can write at a stationary point dy dx equals to 0. Then 3x minus k to the power minus 2 plus 3 equals to 0. Then 3k by 3x minus k square equals to minus 3. We can calculate 3, simplify, cut 3. 3x minus k whole square equals to 1. Let me do cross multiplication. 3x minus k whole square equals to k, then 3x minus k equals to root over k, that is plus or minus 3x equals to k plus or minus root over k, x equals to k by plus minus root over k divided by 3. So this is the stationary points, stationary point in terms of k plus 3x. Okay, so if we compare, we here compare k equals to 4. Okay, now x is a. Already we have got the solution from question a, that is x equals to k plus minus root over k by 3. So here x is here a, k is here 4. Okay, so let me find the value 4 plus or minus 2 by 3. So a equals to 6 by 3 or a equals to 4 minus 2, 2 by 3. So final answer is a equals to 2 and a equals to, given x greater than 3 by 2. So we will not accept this one, not acceptable. We will accept only this one. So a equals to 2. Now we need to find the nature of the stationary point. dy dx equals to, from the previous slide, minus 3k by 3x minus k whole square plus 3. K is 4. So minus 3 times k is here 4, 3x minus 4 square plus 3. So dy dx equals to minus 12, 3x minus 4 to the power minus 2 plus 3. You can write in that way. Now let us do double differentiation. d2y by dx square equals to minus 24 times 3x minus 4 to the power minus 3 plus 0. Okay, minus 72 3x minus 4 to the power minus 3. Now if we use, this is actually x, okay, x is 2, that time it will be 3 times 2 minus 4 to the power minus 3, so it will be less than 0. So the value x equals to 2 will be minimum. If we see the basic concept, d2y by dx square greater than 0 maximum, and d2y by dx square less than 0 minimum. Okay. If we differentiate this one, we can have minus 1 3x plus 1 to the power minus 2 into 3 plus 3. Okay, we can write it as 3 by 3x plus 1 to the power 2 plus 3, which is greater than always 0. Okay, so gx is an increasing function. Okay, thank you very much.